Kolkata classics.
It was nearly 200 years ago when Moyra Ram Chandra Das used to sell his sweets along this place, which was then known as Pathuriaghata Haat.
After 5 generations, Moyra Ram Chandra Das's shop is now one of Kolkata's leading mishti dokan. Welcome to Makhan Lal Das Sons in Natun Bazar.
সবচেয়ে জনপ্রিয় মিষ্টি কোনটা?
আপনাদের সবচেয়ে পুরনো মিষ্টি কোনটা?
ওইটা মনোহরা যেটা দিয়ে মিঠাই হয়েছিল।
Despite the success, the current owner, Shopon Das, is apprehensive of the future because he feels the young generation is not interested in mishti making as a profession. Will Ram Moyra's shop survive another 200 years? Well, only time can tell.